In this video, I'm going to share with you why you should get the Dot Smart Business Card, how that can help you. We're going to run through the features, talk through this. So if you're interested in getting more callbacks, people actually remembering who you are to connect with you at a later date, stick around. Hopefully this can be a help to you. So we have the dotcards.net website pulled up right now. It says next level networking. They do say only one person needs a dot and everyone connects. So it works with all types of phones, both iPhone and Android. So no barrier issues there as far as the different platforms. There is no app required. So to be able to share your profile with somebody, all it takes is going to a browser to get your information across to them. And then lastly here it says it's built to last a lifetime, being able to update your info as it changes. So as your business card might change, so does your smart business card. It can change without having to buy brand new business cards because the information changed on the physical card. You just simply update the business card and then continue handing that out to the people that you already have connected with. So next we're going to go down to how it works. Very, very simple. I did it about 5 minutes. It was very, very quick, very simple to understand as well. So the first step is to set up your Dot profile. So very easy to do that. Personalize your digital business card, add all of your contact information. So for me, as far as what I'm wanting to have on there, I'm willing to have, yes, my name, my business name, the website, the right email address that I would want people to connect to me for my business. And then also, as far as being a content creator goes, I'm willing for my actual customers to see what I do behind the scenes as somebody who's on YouTube. So I have all three of my YouTube channels on there. I've got my Instagram. I've got all these other platforms, multiple YouTube channels, multiple websites that I have being connected to that. So that's pretty awesome to have that profile there. It's very easy to add all that info to. Next is to activate your Dot device. So simply getting that connected. Set up your Dot device is made simple so you can get to connecting faster than ever before. Literally just a matter of a few minutes getting that all worked out as far as that goes. And then next, you're ready to network. So from there, 5 minutes, plug in your info as long as you have that ready to go, and you are ready to have that as a business card. And it can be updated as you go, as you build your business, as you maybe change phone numbers or update your website to a different URL, whatever that may look like. You have those options. So scrolling down here a little further, just talking through the Dot profile. It's free for life with a one-time purchase of a Dot device. So you don't have to subscribe to a membership. You don't have to pay for additional add-ons. This is everything that they have, they give. So it's got an elegant place to share all of your contact info. You can customize the look of your profile. So if you have business colors, if you have different themes you want, you can have that. They have all these options out there. And then say goodbye to typing in phone numbers with the direct contact download. So your customers, your people who you're trying to network with, they can simply just save your information by downloading it directly to their contact list on their phone. So you don't have to go through some process of monkeying around all over the place through a website or trying to get them to walk through just like a regular business card would be for them to input it themselves. This is a direct connection. The reason why I'm even sharing this specific one with you that I heard about was because somebody networked with me. When I was at JunkCon 2022, my buddy Jordan, he reached out to me. He noticed me. He recognized me. I think I had cut my beard off just recently. So I guess he was second guessing whether it was truly me or not when we were there. But he pulled me aside. I was like, hey, man, good to see you. We chatted. And so we networked with each other. I gave him my business card. I believe I did. And then he gave me his Dot. He literally was like, hey, you got your phone? We literally tapped phones together. His information popped up on my phone. I hit save, and that was it. Like, it was just a matter of just a few seconds. He was the one who told me about Dot having a Dot smart business card. And so I was like, dude, I've heard of smart business cards before, but this is incredible. So that's how I heard about Dot as far as a smart business card goes. And I think it's a great value with what they're able to offer. So simply directly contacting and getting that download straight to the other person's phone takes all the guesswork, takes all the uncertainty of whether they're going to remember you, whether they're going to remember to actually put your info in there correctly, and a whole other list of reasons why. I did make a video right here, 5 important reasons why you should get a smart business card. So if you would like to, go ahead and check out that video right here. Come back to this one if you'd like to get the Dot card. So we'll finish up working through the Dot website of what they have to offer, and maybe this could be a great option for you if you are trying to find a better way of networking with people, to really be stuck in their mind, stuck in their phone, hopefully, with the right digital business card. So they have different options here. They have the Dot card. So that's the simple, easy version I've got. It's $20 on their website. Literally $20. I believe it was $5 shipping, $25, and you have a permanent business card, digital business card basically, that is ready to roll, and it will adjust with you. You change your website, you change your phone number, you change anything, boom, you don't have to order brand new business cards and throw them all away to get new ones. This is it, ready to go, ready to roll. So you got that option. The Dot Classic, that's another $20 that basically would attach to your phone. So the durable finish and adhesive backing allow for a whole new way to connect. So without you having to pull out your card, maybe from your wallet, which is what most people would assume you're probably going to be doing, pulling out a business card from your wallet, you just simply say, hey, do you have your phone on you? How many people don't have their phone on them? That's the real question. Everybody has their phone. They're going to have their phone on them. And you can just simply say, hey, can you pull out your phone real quick? I've got my digital business card ready to go. We can just tap phones and you'll have all my information ready to go. You can save it directly to your contact list. You're saving them time. You're saving them all sorts of a headache of remembering the card. That's an even easier way of being able to connect with somebody simply by tapping the phone together with theirs for them to get that download as far as them receiving your contact info. So this is what I first started off with. I'm honestly probably going to get the either Dot Classic additional to this if for whatever reason I didn't have my phone with me, or maybe the Dot Thin. It's another $20. It fits under a phone case. So for me, I usually have an OtterBox phone case for my iPhone, and so I don't want things sticking out on top of my phone. The case itself is large enough, and I have a magnet that fits underneath the phone case that I'm able to put up against my phone holder in my truck, in my car, and all those things. So if I were to have this on my phone, I would want the Dot Thin to be directly connected from the inside of my phone case, directly below or above the magnet that would go on my phone to hold it in place. So that's another $20. So they're all 3 options for you. The very basic options are $20 a piece. I'm assuming $5 shipping for at least one of those items, maybe a little bit more if you got multiple of those. And I think that's a great value. And ultimately, like, what are you going to do with $20? How could you spend $20 more efficiently than a digital business card that can adjust with you as you change and as you grow your business and whatever that looks like for you? How could you be more than efficient than that? I don't know. So these are great options, I think, depending on what your needs are, what you would want to have, and to be functional, to have the utility of having this card ready to go, ready to strike, to put your info into their phone. For those who might already have a bigger business, there is the Shop Packs. So you can get a bundle version. So you can get the perfect combo, mixing and matching. Buy 3, get 1 free. There's the Dot bundle there. help, I can't decide, try all three. So you could get all three, the thin, the classic, as well as the actual card, and then level up your team. So if you wanted to buy 5 or more, you get a deeper discount for those things. And then also the shop custom. If you're trying to scale this and to be able to have a digital business card ready to roll, you're able to have these customized for your business, I believe, with your own logo, with different things on there. Definitely a bit more pricey to have your custom made dot business card on there, but it could be very beneficial if you're looking for that pristine. If you already have a full crew on your company's roster, you're probably going to benefit for having a more streamlined, custom made dot digital business card that's able to connect with more people for your employees, with residential customers or commercial customers. This is the Dot Smart Business Card. I think it could be a great help to you. I think it's going to be productive in my work with my business. Let me know down in the comments below if you think it could help you. If you're going to get this business card, or maybe there's other ones out there, go out and research. Go check it out. I'm sure there's other smart business cards out there that could be a help to you. Go do your research, find out. But this is the one that I'm going with. So if this was a help to you, please consider subscribing, hitting the like button if you got good value. If you're still not convinced that a smart business card could be a help to you in your business, go check out the video up here again that I mentioned before, the 5 reasons why a smart business card could be an absolute help to you in your business. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you have a great day today. Stay safe, and God bless, guys.